Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered the difference between pay, wages, and salary? Pay is the most general word. You can use it in almost any situation. What's your monthly pay? Oh, I'm happy with my pay. Wages are usually an hourly or daily payment for work. This term is often used for physical jobs. The rickshaw driver earns wages every day, or the tailor receives his wages on a weekly basis. Salary is a fixed amount of money you are paid over a year. It's typically for professional jobs. This money is paid in regular amounts, like on the first of every month. The bank manager gets a good annual salary. Or, my uncle's salary is always paid on time. To put it simply, pay is a general word, wages are hourly or daily, and salary is annual. Keep learning with Jamil says.